Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer GTA 5 from PC to PS5. Alright, so let's begin. So if you want to transfer GTA 5 from PC to PS5, then what you need to do is first understand that you cannot directly transfer your GTA 5 online character from your PC to PS5. Rockstar Games ended PC to console migrations years ago, so transfers between PC and console are no longer supported. Transfers were only possible between old generation consoles and current generation consoles as a one-time move, but not across PC and console platforms due to platform locking. Rockstar separates PC and console player bases, which prevents cross-platform progress syncing. It was only a one-time console migration feature, and that applied mainly to console transfers such as from PS4 to PS5 or Xbox One to Xbox Series XS. What you can still do, however, is link your gaming accounts. You need to make sure your PlayStation account is linked to your Rockstar Social Club account. This helps keep your profiles connected under the same Rockstar ID, even though it will not transfer your PC progress to PS5. After linking your accounts, you can start fresh on your PS5 by launching the PS5 version of Grand Theft Auto V. If you previously had progress on a PS4 version, the game may prompt you to migrate your existing character from PS4 to PS5. You simply need to select the migration option and follow the on-screen instructions to bind your old generation console progress to your PS5. Keep in mind, this does not work for PC progress, only eligible console accounts. So basically, direct transfer from PC to PS5 is not possible anymore, but console to console migration may still work if you meet the requirements. And that's it. This is how you can transfer GTA 5 from PC to PS5. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.